the next applicant, Salsa.
Yes, sir.
So Salsa, I've been going through your resume. You're applying for the technical engineering team with us.
Yes, that's right. I'm truly excited about the opportunity to learn and contribute to your team.
That's great to hear. Let's begin with something simple. Can you tell me about yourself?
Sure. My name is Salsa. I'm female, 21 years old. I'm currently in my final year at Polytechnic State of Bandung. In majoring in refrigerations air conditioning engineer. I've always had interest in how system works, especially in HVAC systems, and how they can be optimized for energy efficiency. I've worked on several academic projects, including one of my final project, which is had the title Building the Data Acquisition Systems using Raspberry Pi for refrigeration unit. I've also had leadership experience, such as head of the social political department in the student government, which has helped me develop my communications and teamwork skills.
That's impressive, especially balancing both technical and organizational activities. Tell me more about the Raspberry Pi project.
It was actually my final project. I designed a data acquisition systems using Raspberry Pi to collect data temperature real time from a domestic refrigeration unit using multiple sensors connected to a Raspberry Pi, and the data was stored and visuals using a user interface. It helps users to monitor system performances and energy usage. The system is low cost and could be implemented in a small scale refrigeration setups.
Sounds like practical and modern solution. So what are your greatest strength?
My greatest strength actually is problem solving skills and adaptability. I enjoy finding efficient solutions, whether it's a design process or troubleshooting systems. I'm also proficient in technical tools like AutoCAD, Python, and Diaki, which is support my engineering task. On top of that, I'm organized and I manage my time well, especially when judging multiple responsibilities.
And what about your weaknesses?
My weakness, sometimes I overanalyze text and sometimes I forget about the things, so I learn to balance the quality and speed by setting the priorities and communicating better with my team.
Very self-aware. Now, why did you choose Daikin?
Why am I choose Daikin? Because Daikin is known globally for innovations in HVAC system, and which one of the biggest company in HVAC systems. I was especially inspired by your recent efforts in promoting green buildings and technologies. I want to be the part of the company that leads in both performances and environmental responsibility, and I believe this internship would be a great place. And I believe this work or a job will be a great place for me to learn from experienced professionals.
Thank you. You mentioned teamwork. Can you give me an example of how you work in a team?
Certainly, during my time as a department head in BEM Kemapolban, I led a team of 7 members to organize programs that addresses social political issues on campus. We work on project planning, divided responsibilities, and coordinate with external stakeholders. And I made sure everyone felt heard and motivated. So this experience helped me to grow leaderships in and collaborations, which is, I believe, is essential in any engineering role.
Excellent. Now, where did you see yourself in 3 to 5 years?
In the next few years, I hope to become a certified HVAC engineering, involved in sustainability system design, and I also plan to take additional refrigerations certifications in energy management or green building or software building. In the long term, I want to contribute to large-scale engineering projects that promote energy efficiency and environmental sustainability.
That's clear vision. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy learning new things. Recently, I complete a web programming course through the Hacktive. I also like reading like some articles about technologies and some books about fictional and motivational quotes. Outside of that, I enjoy emceeing events, and it helps me to stay confident in public speaking.
I saw that you hosted an event with over 100 attendants. How did you handle the pressure?
It was actually challenging at first because it's a big company also, and I make sure that event flowed smoothly. I prepare thoroughly, coordinate with the speakers in advance, and practice my delivery speaking. Once the event started, I focus on engaging the students or the audience and adapting to the situations if things change unexpectedly.
Very researchful. Before we wrap up, do you have any question for me?
Yes, I'd love to know more about how the job responsibilities would look like here, and how the workers typically contribute to a real project.
Good question. Work here so closely with senior engineer, assisting with load calculation, design review, and sometimes even field visit. You also be encouraged to present your own analysis and suggest improvement with relevant. We value work who are proactive and willing to learn.
That sounds like a great learning environment. Thank you for the explanation, sir.
Thank you for coming today. Salsa, we'll review everything and get back to you in within the week.
So, okay, thank you so much, Mr. Rafi. I appreciate your time and hope to hear from you soon. Have a great time and have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Thank you so much, sir. The next applicant, Mr. Rafi, please enter the room.
Yes, miss. I'll be on the way. Good morning, Miss Salsa. Thank you for the opportunity to meet with you today. This is my CV.
Okay, Mr. Rafi, good morning. I've reviewed your resume, and I must say you have a great experience in HVAC, and it's quite impressive for a recent graduate.
Thank you. I'm excited to discuss how I can contribute to your company.
Let's start with you telling me about yourself and your background in HVAC engineering.
Certainly, I'm a graduate of Bandung Polytechnic State, majoring in HVAC engineering. I have a strong foundation in thermal system, refrigeration, and air conditioning. I also completed an internship at PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia, where I was involved in HVAC system design, installation, and project coordination. I am passionate about sustainable HVAC solution and eager to apply my skills in the field.
Very good. What specific skills or tools did you use during your internship at Daikin?
During my internship, I developed HVAC system layout using industry standard drafting software. I also learned to apply compositional fluid dynamic simulation to optimize airflow and efficiency. I work closely with project manager and engineer to ensure smooth execution of HVAC design.
How you handle the challenge when you're working in HVAC projects?
I always approach problems methodically. For instance, during my internship, we faced an unexpected equipment issue during installation. I assisted the team in troubleshooting by reviewing system schematic and collaborating with technicians to resolve it quickly. I believe communication and structure analysis are key to solving technical problem effectively.
That's a solid approach. Can you describe a project or a task that you most proud of?
Sure, one of the highlights was when I contribute to a redesign of a commercial HVAC system to improve its energy efficiency. I applied thermodynamic calculation and CFD simulation to suggest modification, which were later approved and implemented by the senior engineer. It gave me confidence in applying theory to real world problem.
Impressive. Why do you wanted to work at Green Tech Engineering?
I've read about your company focus on innovative and energy efficient HVAC solution. That's aligned perfectly with my goals. I want to work in an environment where I can grow technically and contribute to projects that have a positive environment impact.
Very good, thank you. And do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I'd like to know more about the type of project your engineering teams is currently working on and if there are opportunities for junior engineers to get involved in R&D.
Absolutely, yes. So we are currently focusing on retrofitting older buildings with sustainable HVAC solutions, and junior engineers are highly encouraged to contribute ideas during the design phase.
That sounds like a great opportunity to learn and grow. I appreciate your time today.
Okay, thank you, Raffi. I think this is the end of our interview. So we'll be in touch within the weeks for the result. Have a great day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Salsa. You too.